My name is Bongani, and today we're starting a new segment on the podcast. It's called For The Gurlas. Let's say someone isn't necessarily looking for a small hatchback. They're looking for something slightly bigger, a bit more space to fit some shopping in there.
Are we only looking at new, or can we look at secondhand as well?
You can recommend secondhand cars if you can proudly say that, hey, listen, this is not going to fall apart and have you on the side of the road in the next year or so.
For me, Audi A1 with freeway plan in place, minimum of 3 years. Audi chic, German quality, relatively low risk, and I don't think there are too many ladies that will say they don't like the look of an Audi. Your thoughts on the Audi?
Wait. You lost me at freeway plan. What is that?
For the ladies, very, very simple. You've all heard the term, I imagine, service plan, maintenance plan. Audi marketed as freeway plan, BMW marketed as motor plan. Simply means it's a full guarantee for the period sold and includes your servicing cost. So if you're buying a car, you can buy a car for 300,000 Rand, but it's got no maintenance plan.
Yeah.
Or I can buy a car for 340 and it's got a maintenance plan. Now there's 40,000 Rand difference.
Yeah.
But over the next 3 years, you will spend 40,000 Rand on servicing that car. Am I wrong?
No, you're not wrong. So it's just safer to get the maintenance
So
back.
if you are a lady, and truly, we're here to protect you, male or female, but in this particular case, female, service plan, maintenance plan, warranties need to be in place.
How do you feel about the Cherry Tiggo 4?
I'm not against it, but it's not my first recommendation. Now, I always say, what do the masses say? More people will disagree with me than agree with me. I think the Cherry Tiggo 4 is a very good car, but I'm not a fan of the Cherry product.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of the look of the Cherry Tiggo 4. If you said 6, 7, or 8, I think it looks good. The 4, in my opinion, not a good looking car. Your thoughts?
Listen, I think it's quite decent. I mean, the highest level trim still comes up at under 400,000 Rand. I may stand to be corrected with this. And I think for me, the appeal comes from the fact that you can get a whole lot more car for less. And considering the fact that Cherry was in the country and then they left and then they came back again, it's sort of a point to prove, right? And essentially, they don't want to build a bad name for themselves. And I think as someone who's trying to get into the brand, I would walk in with that sense of comfort, thinking to myself that, hey, listen, these people really want my business and I'm most likely to get a really good customer experience overall.
So if you take the brand that is Cherry, let's be clear, they've proven themselves, it's a safe option. If you are going to go Chinese, but I'd like to talk about that next time. But remember, if you like what you see here, whether it be Bongani or myself,
Where can they get a hold of us?
CHANGECARS.co.za, you go into the contact us page, proudly, not arrogantly, my name, my number, my email address is there. You want to speak to Bongani, I'll give you his number. He's a good looking boy.
Keep It or Change Cars, the motoring podcast with news, views, and interviews.